Good morning, all of you. Myself is Jisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, SN College, Kollam. Today we are discussing on a general topic, Aquatic Adaptations of Mammals, which comes under Module 6 of class Mammalia. And now we are discussing on the part 1 of the session. And coming to the topic, what is adaptation? Adaptation is an evolutionary process where an organism becomes better suited to its habitat. This process takes place over many generations. It is also one of the basic phenomena of biology. They often mean a feature or a trait which helps an animal or plant to survive. And coming to aquatic mammals. Mammals are primarily terrestrial animals. Some of them are adapted for a secondary aquatic life. Secondary aquatic adaptations are marvelous and exceedingly efficient. They are even better than fishes. They are considered to be the masters of water. Most mammals can swim in water. Although most mammals can swim in water, only those forms which are permanently taken to a life in water are considered to be aquatic mammals. And coming to the commonest aquatic mammals. The mammalian groups like Monotremata, Marsupialia, Rodentia, Aerodactyla, Cetacea, Sirenia, Pinnipedia, all these possess aquatic mammals. Means mammals with excellent aquatic adaptations. We can point one by one. This is Ornithorhynchus. Its common name is platypus, which comes under the mammalian group Monotremata. This is Skyronectus. The common name is Wateroposum, which comes under the mammalian group Marsupialia. Beavers and muskrats, which comes under group Rodentia, also have excellent aquatic adaptations. And this is Hippopotamus. It's a familiar one for you, which comes under the group Aerodactyla. And from group Cetacea, the best examples are whales, dolphins, and porpoises. They never visit land. Digongs or the manatees are best examples from group Sirenia. They also never visit land. And the group Pinnipedia. Best examples are walruses, otters, seals, and sea lions. They visit land only for breeding purpose. And coming to the classification of aquatic mammals. Based on the relation to water and the degree of aquatic adaptations, aquatic mammals are grouped into completely aquatic mammals and semi-aquatic or amphibious mammals. The first category is completely aquatic mammals. They are permanently changed to water, means they are permanently residing in water. They do not normally come to land for any purpose. They are unable to shift their quarters or home by land. Examples, Cetaceans and Sirenians. The second category belongs to semi-aquatic or amphibious mammals. They can live with equal ease, with equal comfort in water and also on land. They spend a considerable portion of their life in groups. Groups mean small streams, then streams, rivers and lakes for concealment, shelter, food, escape from enemies, etc. Concealment means hiding in. And coming to aquatic adaptations of semi-aquatic mammals. They have sleek and slender body, dense and soft fur, elongated snout, small earlobes, very flat tail, webbed hands and feet, and subcutaneous fat. Subcutaneous means under the skin. And The next one, aquatic adaptations of completely aquatic mammals. They have morphological, anatomical, and physiological adaptations or specializations. The degree of aquatic adaptation has an inverse relationship with the connection of the animal with the land. The great disadvantage of all aquatic mammals is the retention of the lung breathing habit. They are believed to have evolved from terrestrial ancestors. And we are coming to the factors which motivated terrestrial animals to return to aquatic environment. They are inhospitable conditions on land. Inhospitable means unfriendly conditions. Then scarcity of food, struggle for existence, predation pressure. All these are some of the factors which motivated terrestrial animals to go back to aquatic environment. Then water is the primal home of the remote ancestors. So they refound water as a highly favorable place and they choose aquatic environment as permanent home. And we are coming to the core area of our topic, aquatic adaptations of mammals. Completely aquatic mammals have remarkable specializations for a life in water. In this respect, they excel even fishes as masters of water. And we are pointing out the major aquatic adaptations of mammals. The first adaptation is modification of body contour. Second, integumentary modification. Third, locomotor modifications. 4, formation of dorsal fins and tail flukes. 5, formation of flippers. 6, hyperdactyly and hyperphalange. 7, skeletal modifications. 8, modifications of the digestive system. 9, respiratory modifications. 10, modification of sense organs. And finally 11, reproductive modifications. We can discuss one by one. The first adaptation is modification of body contour. What is body contour? It's a body outline or body shape. Most of the aquatic mammals have a tapering and streamlined body. And the question is how aquatic mammals offers great resistance to swimming. The answer is they have elongated skull and their zygomatic arches are reduced. They have cylindrical shaped chest region. Their projecting structures are almost reduced. Projecting structures like means hind limbs, pinnae, scrotum, etc. And the second adaptation is integumentary modification. That is achieved by loss of hair and loss of skin glands. Loss of hair has one advantage, it reduces friction during swimming. Hair is often retained only in those forms which visit the land occasionally. And the second feature, cutaneous glands or skin glands, that is totally absent in aquatic forms since they are of no use in water. Examples, whales and sea cows. In whales and sea cows, hairs are represented by a few bristles around their mouth region. Hair may be present in the fetus. Exception is white whales. In white whales, hair is absent both in fetus and in adults. And a question, how the loss of hair is compensated by these aquatic mammals? The best answer is blubber. Blubber, that is a thick layer of subcutaneous fat. And we can move into what are the functions of blubber. That serves as a heat insulator that prevents the loss of body heat, that maintains a constant body temperature. It reduces the specific gravity of the body in water. It forms a ready source of reserve energy that acts as a shock absorber to absorb the hydraulic pressure during deep sea diving. And coming to the blubber. Again, you can see the picture. Blubber is a thick layer of vascularized adipose tissue. Vascularized means that area is innervated by blood vessels. Under the skin, that is present under the skin of all cetaceans, pinnipeds and sirenians. That is the end of part 1. Thank you.